It's been a week. So, isang linggo na since God told me to go to my previous employer para i-process yung clearance ko at i-follow up ang yung commission ko. What I learned about those experience, that God is talking to you, and if you allow God to be your leader of your life, siya yung susundin mo. If you allow God to be your teacher, if you allow God to be your God, God will bless you. God will surely give to you yung blessing na hindi mo ina-expect. Kasi Panginoon siya eh. Unlimited yung source ng Panginoon. Kasi hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Kasi alam ng Lord kung ano yung nasa puso natin. Parang siyang yung story ni Jonah kung saan inutusan ng Lord si Jonah pumunta sa Nineveh to preach. God instructed me, "Nanak, pumunta ka dito to process it." And then I follow. And then, everything goes smooth. Everything, hindi ako ang kumikilos. Physically, ako kumikilos. Pero, I know God is moving. I know si God ang kumikilos. And God will bless me in the times na kailangan ko siya. Amen. Will surely tell you, kung ako binless ng Lord, i-bless ka din niya if you commit yourself to God, if you focus on God. There will be distraction, maraming distraction. Pero if you remain focused, yung parable ng paghahasik kung saan yung palay, para siyang in-illustrate as salita ng Panginoon, hayaan mo yung palay or yung mensahe ng Panginoon na itinanim sa iyo or narinig mo mag-grow siya sa matabang lupa. Hayaan mo na ang Lord ang kumilos sa iyo. Hayaan mo na siya ang maggabay sa iyo dito sa mundo kasi knowing that we have God, meron tayong we can rely on God. We can rely on the strongest entity in this world. We can be sure that we will have an everlasting life. We will have His mercy. We will have His salvation. We will have His God's promises in our life. So all we have to do to cling and to believe in